Hello. Likita, can you hear me?
Yeah, Raman, I can hear you now. Am I audible?
Yes, very clear. And Vikram, are you there? Vikram, are you there? Likita, can you just check with him once? Jeevan
Sure.
will join after 10
Yeah,
minutes.
Hey, hi.
Yeah, hi Vikram. Can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, good.
Raman, your voice is very feeble to me. I'm not sure if it's the same to Vikram.
How is it now?
It's fine now.
Fine?
But it's a little low.
Little low?
Yeah, volume is very low.
Very low. No, I can hear you very clearly. I don't know why it's happening.
Yeah, I mean, your voice is very feeble to me as well.
How is it now?
Like it's like you're talking from a far distance.
No, I'm very near to my laptop. I've taken it in my hand.
Okay.
Can you hear me now?
It's kind of getting better, Raman.
Better? Okay, I'll try to speak a little bit louder, right? Okay, sure. So let's start now without wasting any time. So I hope you people might have watched a few of the videos which I have given you on WhatsApp. Did you watch?
Right. Yeah, Raman, I have watched.
Okay, Vikram, did you watch any of the video?
No.
Okay, no problem. Right. So first of all, both of you tell me. See, Jeevan has already done few sessions, right? So basically, today's session is not important for him because I'll be talking about the pronunciation, the ABCD. So he is much far ahead in grammar. So basically, he'll be using these sessions for revision. But these are more important for two of you and very important for two of you because you are just beginning this complete course. We're starting with the basics. That's why. So first of all, tell me like what is your background in the language? Like have you tried to learn anywhere or like totally new or like how is it going? One by one.
I am totally new. I think Vikram is also totally new to this.
Okay.
We're starting from zero basically.
Okay. So Likta, you are from Bangalore, right?
I'm from Karnataka, from Hassan.
Okay. And Vikram, you are from?
Delhi.
Delhi? Okay. Good. I'm also from Delhi. Okay. Great.
Okay.
Yeah. Not exactly. Half I am from Delhi. My in-laws are in Delhi. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, my wife is from Delhi actually. Okay, good. So I hope both of you are totally new. Vikram, you are also totally new to the language, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So guys, we'll be starting today. See, whenever we start the language, first of all, we start with the letters. We start with the script. Okay. We see that what letters we are using, what ABCD is there, what are their letter names, what are the respective sounds. Step by step, we'll go ahead. Okay, we'll be using English as a base language. Directly, we'll not move to German medium. So today it is the first lecture. So I'll just tell you few things, okay, so that you don't have any doubt about our approach and about the course which you are going to take on. See, what happens is that first thing is that don't fall in this trap that German to German is the best way to learn. That's totally wrong. Okay, German to German, it's totally wrong. You know, like let's say like Ritika is from Karnataka, so she knows Kannada very well, but I don't know. So if she is teaching me Kannada, if she teaches me Kannada to Kannada, I cannot actually understand. I cannot understand even a single word. Right? She needs to teach me either in English or any other language which I know. Getting? So don't fall in this trap that German to German is good way, English to German is bad way. It's not like that. Okay. Whenever you are learning, it's not about German only. Whenever you are learning a new language, you have to learn it in your base language. So Vikram's base language is Hindi and English. Likta's base language is I think English and Kannada. Okay. So we have to use a base language with a common language which you know. That is English. Initially, we'll be starting from English to German. Slowly, once you reach that much scalable grammar, then we'll be gradually moving to complete German to German. We'll stop using complete English in the course. We'll not use any English after that, after a few sessions. Okay? But that will take some time. So gradually, once you reach that much grammar level, once you reach that much vocab level, then we'll be starting all that thing. Right? And each lecture will be 1 hour of duration. Right? After each lecture, I'll be giving you 2.5 hours of homework. Initial 2 or 3 lectures, you won't be having any homework, so don't worry. But yeah, once we start some grammar, possibly after lecture 2nd or 3rd or 4th probably, After that, you have to seriously devote these 2.5 hours. They are very, very important. Okay. Because, you know, if you study after the class, that thing actually matters. That will make you clear the exam. That will get the language on your tongue. If you depend only on the lecture, that okay, we are attending the lecture, we are attending the course, I cannot guarantee you that skill until unless you don't do the homework. Right? And only that much time you have to devote. Okay, don't take that much stress. It's very easy. Just you have to make sure that you are devoting like 2 or 2.5 hours. That much time you are devoting. That much you need to devote. That much I want after the class. Okay.
Cool. Yes,
Yeah. So weekly we'll be planning. Weekly we'll be planning like 2 or 3 sessions. Once you people get more free, or if you have some holidays or some exam rushes there, as you told me that within 4 or 5 months you want to clear. Okay. Again, it depends person to person, because Jiva was saying that you want to we want to finish everything in 4 or 5 months. But let's see how it goes. Okay. You people have to decide as per your comfortability. You should be comfortable. I don't have any problem in increasing the speed. I can go very fast also, because I have to finish the course. But the thing is that you know, you should be able to grasp that. You should be able to handle that much. And you have to parallelly, you have to manage your other studies, your other office work, whatever you are doing separately. That thing also you have to manage apart from this German. So decide accordingly. Take 3-4 sessions. You will automatically come to know what frequency you have to keep in every week. Right?
Sure.
So now let's start with our topic. See, I was saying that whenever we start a language, we start with the letters, we start with the script. First of all, what I am doing, I am playing the ABCD. This is the German ABCD. Just like in English, you have one ABCD like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. That's the letter list. The same Roman letters we use in English. Same Roman letters we use in German also, but the name is different. Here we don't say ABCD. Here we say ABCD, something like this.
Okay.
Okay. So I am playing one video. Try to listen to it. I'll play it twice. Try to listen to it. Try to learn it. And then one by one we'll compare these letters with the English name of letters. Ready?
Yeah, Ram.
Okay, I'm playing it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
I hope you can see my screen, both of you, right?
Yeah, Raman.
Vikram, screen visible?
Yeah, Raman.
Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
That was German ABCD. Now I'm repeating the letters one by one. You have to speak. So first Likita will speak, and then Vikram, you have to follow after that. So start. ABCD.
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 AFG.
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 Again ABCD.
ABCD.
One by one. AFG.
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 Very good. HIJK.
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 LMNOP.
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 Very good. QRST.
QRST.
Slowly. Wait. It's not R. No, Vikram, wait. It's not R. It is R. Likta R, not R.
R.
Speak again.
It, yeah.
Speak again. QRST.
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 UVW.
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 Good. XYZ.
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 X, not X. XYZ.
Epsilon Z.
Epsilon, not epsilon.
Raman,
Epsilon. Yeah, tell me.
In few of the videos, I have seen this Y is pronounced as Upsilon.
Epsilon. You can say epsilon. No, nothing upsilon. That's wrong. Totally wrong. Epsilon. Simple. Okay. Right.
Could you please repeat it for me again?
Epsilon.
Epsilon.
Okay.
Right. Sure.
Right. So
Okay.
don't make that upsilon. That's totally wrong. Okay. Don't make that upsilon. Okay, sometimes you know what happens. People who make videos on YouTube, they are from different accents. In Germany also, if you go to Switzerland, the accent is different. In South Germany, it is different. In Belgium, it is different. In Austria, it is different. That kind of variations might occur. And second point, the person who is making the video, he might have learned German from somewhere. Just suppose that some Austrian is making a video and he has learned German from a French person. Then what will happen? Okay, so these kind of variations occur, right? So never rely 100% on YouTube. Okay, you will see many once you move ahead in the course, you will see lot of things you will find which are like not explained clearly on YouTube, or lot of things are totally different what you are learning in the course. So I'll give you all the cases. Okay, in pronunciation also there are many cases in which you have two sounds. ICH is called ish also and ik also. Okay, if I say ish heiser raman, some people say ik heiser raman. That's also correct. But the 90% prevalent sound is ish. 10% in area only they say ik. So we'll not prefer that lesser sound. We'll prefer the sound which is used in the majority regions wherever German is spoken. Okay?
Okay.
Right? Yeah. Okay. Once again, repeat after me. Abecede with energy. Abecede.
Abecede.
ABCD.
AFG.
AFG.
Ha E Yot Ka. Yeah. Sorry. I'm sorry, Vikram. Repeat, Vikram. AFG.
AFG.
Okay. Okay. Ha E Yot Ka.
I Yotka.
Yotka.
Ha, not A. Vikram. Ha. Ha.
Ha Yotka.
LMNOP.
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 Good. QRST.
QRST.
URST.
UVW.
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 XYZ.
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 X, not X. X.
X.
XYZ. Good. So I'm playing the video. Please listen to it. Today I'll be going little bit slow in terms of content. Okay. So I'll be taking less content, but I'll be taking it multiple times. Once you people get comfortable, then gradually we'll increase the speed. So still, if you find me I'm going fast, you can stop me in between. Okay.
Sure.
I'm playing the video again. Try to listen to it.
Oh.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Okay, Lipta, speak after me. ABCD
ABCD AFG.
Vikram.
ABCD AFG.
Ha E Yot Ka LMNOP.
Hi Yotka LMNOP.
Ha Yotka LMNOP.
QRST UVW.
QRST UVW.
Not R and T. QRST UVW.
QRST UVW.
ORST
UVW.
UVW.
XYZ.
XYZ.
Okay, good. Now full ABCD. Who wants to try first? Vikram, Nikita, who wants to try? Full ABCD.
I'll go.
Okay, start.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
A, not E. A.
Huh?
A, F, G.
All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Slowly. Okay, next.
Hi Yotka LMNOP. Who R S T U V
Way.
U V
Yeah.
X Y Z.
Vikram.
ABCD EFG.
A for area of rectangle. AFG.
AFG. basically AFG. H.
Ha.
A yot का LMNO पे.
Once again, it's not A, it's E. Ha E yot ka. Speak again, full.
Ha E yot का LMNO पे. Ku S T.
Good. Ufa away. Once again. Ku
S T.
X epsilon Z.
X epsilon Z.
Okay. Now, guys, why I am making you learn this ABCD letters? Just suppose you are going to some office, you are filling a form, or some person else is filling the form, and he is asking the spelling of your name. Okay, and the person doesn't know English, so you might have to spell out the letters of your name. So what you will do? If you say LIKITHA, the person will not understand. Okay, so you have to use the German letters. So I am giving you 1 minute of time. Both of you respectively work on your names. I am writing your full names there, and then you have to read out the consequent letters of your name. Okay, so LIKITHA DEVAGODWA. Am I right in the spelling?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
VIKRAM. Vikram surname?
DEVE.
1 second. Vikram 1 minute. DEVE. Okay. Yeah. Vikram surname?
Panwar PANWAR.
Okay. Pamar, right? Okay.
Right.
Exactly. So both of you work on your names. After 1 minute, we'll be speaking out these letters. Okay.
Okay.
Peram.
Ready, everyone?
Yeah, Raman.
Okay, so let's start. Speak the letters of your full name.
Okay.
L.
L
Hmm.
E
Hmm.
K E
Hmm.
T H
Hmm.
A
Hmm.
D E V E G O V.
No. U, far way, remember? It's not V, it's way.
Oh, wait, sorry. Wait. Right.
Yeah,
Okay. V D A.
good. Vikram, start.
V E K R A
Hmm.
M Ma.
Ha, E, yacht ka, L, M, N, O, P. M, not ma. Okay.
Okay, M.
Hmm.
And then L N O P. P
Hmm.
A
Hmm.
N V
Hmm.
A
Hmm.
R.
R. Okay.
R.
Correct. Okay. Right. Now I'm writing Jiva's name. So speak it. Who wants to try? Nikta, want to try this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Speak.
Yacht. A. Pau. A. N. S. E. R. A. M. No. M.
M.
A. N. Yacht. U. Sorry. U. N. A. T. H.
Yeah. Vikram, I have given two more names. Speak them. Letters.
Kapil Yotka. K A P.
No. Not A. Not A. It's A. ABCD.
Okay.
Ka.
Ka.
A. P.
K A P E
L.
L
P.
P A U T
T. Okay. Q R S T. Hmm.
T
He. Ha. Not he. Ha.
Ha A Ka.
Second name S.
This Likita will try, no?
Okay. Likta try. S.
Okay. S. A. N. G. E.
A.
Sorry. A. T. H. A.
Okay, good. I hope you people are like almost done with this. Once again, revise the ABCD. I am sending you the video. You can download the video and keep in your system and listen to it 4-5 times. So this is one of the reason why to learn this letter names. Whenever you have any capital letters, whenever you want to speak any letter name, you have to use this German ABCD only. And whenever you have, like companies like BMW, okay, or Volkswagen, so we never say BMW in German. We say BMW from the German ABCD. Getting what I'm saying?
Right.
Similarly, Volkswagen, in short, they say VW, so VW. You have CD, the movies which you watch, CD. So you don't say CD, you will say CD, ABCD. Okay. So wherever you have some company name or some acronym, some capital letters are there, you have to always use the German ABCD. You don't have to use the English ABCD. The person in front of you won't be able to understand if he doesn't know English. Okay. That is the purpose to learn the letter names. That is the purpose. Now this is just one part of pronunciation. Okay, this is not the actual topic which we are doing today. This is just one part. So far, what we have done, we have just done the names of letters. Now, if I write Vikram's name, Vikram, okay, I call him as Vikram. You call me as Raman. I call you as Likita, right? I don't call you as Vikram. You don't call me as Raman. I don't call you as Likith. Getting what I am trying to say? The names of letters are different. The sound is different. Okay. Vikram is the name of the letters which are there in Vikram's name. Vikram. In German, you can say V, I, K, R, I, M, whatever. Okay. That is the name of letter. But when I am speaking, I am using the sound. That okay, V sound is V, I sound is E. Similarly, in your name, I am using L sound is L, then L plus E plus Ki plus E, whatever, Likita, like this. So I am using the sound. So that is what we have to do now. That okay, we have done the ABCD, that is the name of letter, but now what is the sound of A? What is the sound of B? So on. In different scenarios. That is what we have to do now. Okay, so name of letter is different, the sound is different. When you speak a word, we don't use the name of letter. When we speak a word, we use the sounds of the constituent letters. We combine the sound, and this is how the sound of a word originates. Okay, example, if I say, let's say Germany is Deutschland. So I don't call D-E-U-T-S-C-H-L-A-N-D. I use the sound that okay, D sound is the. EU you will learn very soon. EU is a combination. EU is oi. T-S-C-H is ch. And L-A-N-D is Deutschland. So we are using the sound of the letters which are composed in that word. Okay. The word which is composed of those letters, we are using the sound of those letters. So those sounds we have to do now. Okay. See here, I am giving you some tricks which will make the things very easy for you. In German, the pronunciation is really tough. Actually, it is tough, but it is tough until and unless you have done the rules. If you have done the rules, you will find it's like more than simple. It's much simple as compared to English. So it's all about the rules. If you know the rules, you will find you can speak like a native within next 2 lectures. I can assure you, if you just revise these rules, just practice the way I'm telling you, you will be able to speak after second lecture. Whatever newspaper magazine you have, you will be able to speak it loud and clear with enough confidence after some practice. And without these rules, it is something, like you are doing hit and try. They are writing something else, the sound is totally different. That is the problem. Okay, so one by one we'll see the rules. So German, as I told you, it uses the same Roman set of alphabets. You don't have to write all these things. I'll be sending you the PDF file. You can take a printout later or you can note it down later. Okay,
sure.
So try to understand what I'm saying. Just focus here only. No need to worry for writing and all. It uses the same Roman set of alphabets, A till Z. There are 2 parts, vowels and consonants. We have done all these things in school, A, B, C, D in English. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and consonants are your B, C, D till Z. Both of you clear till here, Vikram?
Yeah, Raman.
Okay. Now I am drawing one table. The table says whenever any word is ending with B, D or G. Okay, listen to me. Any word in German, if it is ending with B, D or G. Ending means if in the end of the word if B, D or G is coming. Respectively, the sound of that B, D and G will be P, T and K. Sound of that B, D and G will be P, T and K respectively. In the end of the word, if B, D or G is coming, the sound will be P, T and K. So if you see the example here, G, I, B. Tell me what is coming in the end? B.
B.
Sound will be P, Geep. Both of you speak Geep.
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 Yeah. Second word, K-I-N-D. D in the end, sound will be T. It will not be kind. It will be kint. Both of you speak kint.
Wait. Kint.
Kind.
Kint, not kind. Kint. T.
Kint.
Tomato T. Good.
Kind.
Yes. Then third word is T-A-G. G in the end is K. So this will not be tag. This will be tak. K sound.
Tak.
Tak.
Okay.
That's why we have one very common greeting. You will find 90% Indians saying Guten Tag. It's not Guten Tag. Tomorrow you observe a native German. He will say Guten Tag.
Okay, right. Yeah.
Right? Getting? So that is the importance of rules, right? So Guten Tag. G in the end is K. You will see many exceptions also in these rules. Okay, 100% they are not valid, but 99.99% they are valid. 0.1% exceptions are there. So don't worry about them. If you are doing B1, 5,000 words you have to learn. Out of 5,000, 50 words will be exception, which will not follow these rules. But remaining 4,950 words will follow these rules which I am giving you. So these rules will help you a lot in reaching the sound as closer as possible to a native sound. Okay?
Okay.
Geep, kint and tak. I am not discussing the meanings right now. Don't worry about the meanings. Okay, for coming 2 lectures, your focus should be totally on the pronunciation. That by the end of second lecture, you should be ready with the sound. If I give you any text, any brochure, any website, magazine, you should be having the confidence to speak it correctly. Okay?
Okay.
After that, we'll start with the meaning. So don't worry for the meanings. Leave the meanings. Nothing to worry. All this grammar, meaning, everything will come in detail. Leave that. Okay. Now see here. This table is over. Now we are starting with the vowels. First letter is A. A is having 2 sounds. A is having 2 sounds. First sound is A. A sound. If you see your name, Likita, that A sound. A in the end. Okay. Second sound is A. If you see Vikram's name, this A is coming here. Getting?
Yeah.
First sound is A
Yeah.
and second sound is A. Now which sound will come, that you have to understand. The trick is
Okay.
you have to count. You have to count. Count means 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to count the direct consonants. What are consonants? This B, C, D till Z. Okay?
Correct.
You have to count the direct consonants coming after A. I am saying direct. Direct means which are coming directly after A. You go left to right in English. You have to see where A is there. You will count the direct consonants coming after A. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. So see the example A L T. Tell me how many consonants here after A. Vikram, how many?
After A, L, T, both are constant.
2,
right?
2. Give me the count. 2, right?
2.
Okay, just hold on now. FRAGE and tell me after A how many, Vikram? Directly?
2.
No.
1.
1. Directly. E is there, I'll stop the counting. Okay? Then TRAGEN. After A how many?
1.
1. Okay? Likhta clear? Counting?
Right.
Direct
Yeah,
consonant.
yeah.
The rule is after A, if it is one consonant, it will have the A sound. A sound like Likita. A sound. Okay? And if it is more than one, then it will be A sound like Vikram. A sound. Okay? Always remember, make a shortcut in your mind. One consonant, A sound, 1 plus A sound. One consonant, bigger sound, more than one, shorter sound.
Okay.
Okay? So ALT, more than one, shorter sound. Alt. Speak alt. Alt. Okay? This UH I have written just to express the A sound. Okay? Don't make it alt. Okay? Don't bring that H sound in picture. Nothing to do with that H. Right? That is just a way to write that. After the class, if you want to revise, you will speak alt. Okay? Sometimes people say that I have written UH, so they start speaking alt. That's wrong. Okay? So how will I express the alt sound in English? That is just a way to write. So either you don't read that or just focus here, alt. Simple? Then FRAGEN. After A it is 1. A sound. Fragan. Speak both of you. Fragan. Fragan. Then Tragan. Speak.
Tragan.
Exactly. Simple. After A, one consonant. A sound like car. If it is more than one, A sound like Aman. Vikram. Like this. Okay. Little bit A you will mix here. Don't make it full A. Don't make it full 100% A. Little bit A will be there. Only 30%. But this is 100% A. Okay. Little bit A will be there. Little bit 20% alt. Little bit. But don't make it full alt. That's totally wrong. Okay. Little bit A will be there. 20% will be there. Alt. Okay. Next is E. E is not having any counting. There is no counting. It is having a single sound. In mathematics, you have done one word called area. Area of rectangle. So area A sound. First A. A sound. That is the sound of German E. Okay. So speak the example. Vikram, speak this first example.
Which one is the first?
This one, my mouse pointer. This one. SN. E is having the A sound,
SN.
right? SN.
SN.
Correct. Then second example.
Egal.
Not egal. After A, one consonant, na? Ah. Egal.
Oh, egal.
Okay. So there is one very common greeting used in offices. You might have heard. Das ist egal. That doesn't matter. Okay. It's a very common greeting. They use it very frequently. Das ist egal. That doesn't matter. So this is egal. The examples are arranged in such a way that you have to try to retain the previous examples, previous rules to solve the new examples. Egal. After A one consonant, that will be having the A sound. Egal.
Okay. Egal.
Yes. SN and egal. Likta, speak both the examples.
SN. Egal.
Very good. I is having two sounds. Long E. Long E, like if I say keys. You have the keys of your house, right? The keys. E sound. Long E. And short E, you drink tea, right? That is a long E. Coffee, tea, that is a long E sound. And second is a short E like football kick, ship, dip, okay? Right? That is the short E sound. Again the same story. You have to do the counting. After I, one consonant, long E, more than one short E.
Okay.
Okay? I double ST. How many? 3.
3.
Second example, WIDER. How many?
1.
1. BILD. How many? Count 2.
2.
Okay. So speak the first example. Short E. Ist.
Ist.
Okay. One consonant long E, more than one short E. Here one. Wieder. Speak Wieder.
Wieder.
Yes, you have to stress little bit. You have to extend little bit.
Yeah.
Wieder. Last.
Bead.
More than one. More than one.
Built.
And D in the end. You remember BDG PTK, that table?
Right.
Okay. Vikram, getting what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. D in the end is the, that becomes built. So don't call it build, it is built.
Built. Right.
Built.
Okay. Ist, wieder and built. Okay, now see here. GIB. After I, how many?
1.
1. Long E. Geep.
Geep.
Second, KIND. How many? After I?
2.
Short E. Kent.
Kin.
Kent. Not Kent. Kent. Short E. Kent. Okay. Kindergarten. That one. TAG. After A, how many? 1.
1.
Tap.
So tap. Right.
Okay. Getting what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, getting.
Okay. So let's
Yeah.
revise again. Yeah, Vikram, tell me. Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So let me revise again what we have done. First of all, we did a table. Try to absorb the rules in your brain. Okay. When you will go out, you will not have the laptop and PDF. Try to retain as much as possible in your mind. So concentrate as much as possible. BDG, PTK, make shortcuts like this. Word ending with BDG, sound will be per time ka. Geep, kint and tak. Okay. A is having two sounds. A and A. One consonant A sound. There are two brothers. Elder brother, younger brother. A and A. Okay. One consonant A, more than one short A. Then E is having A sound, no counting. I is having two sounds, two sisters are there. Long E and short E. One consonant long E, more than one short E.
E. Right.
Simple. Next is O. Is having two sounds again. O for Korea. Solar, Oman, that O sound. Okay. Korea, solar, that O sound. And second is awesome, O sound. That is the O sound. Second sound is the awesome O sound. Again the same story. Do the counting. One consonant O sound, more than one O for awesome.
Okay.
Okay. ODER. Vikram, speak the first example. Try to calculate. One consonant.
1, right.
Speak.
1 means O.
Yeah. Speak.
Here.
Order. Okay. This E na, this E you don't have to highlight. We don't have to sing a song order, not like that. Speak normally order. Automatically that sound will come. Order.
Order. Yeah.
Order. Don't know. Likta not order. Don't highlight that A sound. Speak normally. Order. It will come automatically. Order.
Order.
Yes.
Okay. Order.
Yes. Okay. We don't have to give that much time to E. It's like very fraction of second. Okay. Don't stretch it so much. Order. Speak normally. Okay.
Order.
Correct. SOLL. S I will cover in the consonant. Just one case I am covering. Whenever single S is there, it's Z for zebra. Okay.
Okay.
Z for zebra. Now here two consonants are there. O for awesome. Zol.
Oh, so
This is very, very important word. It's a very common word. Should. You can see half of the time you use this word in a day. I should learn German. Ich soll Deutsch lernen. So, Zol, Sol, Zol, okay? And Sol, these are all wrong answers. Only one answer is correct. Zol.
Zol.
Only one answer is correct. Sol, Sol and Zol. All three are wrong. Only Zol. Zol. Ich soll. Okay? I should go. Ich soll gehen. I should come. Ich soll kommen. Like this. Simple. Speak the next example.
M-O.
After O1, after A1, O and A. Monat.
not.
Monat.
Monad.
Oh,
After O one consonant, see whenever you see a word, na, try to first of all locate its vowels, because everything you can see, everything is getting under control of vowels. So first of all you have to see
Right.
the vowels and then you have to calculate the full sound. So as soon as I see MONT, I will see the vowels. First is O, I will count. After O1, O sound. After A1, A sound. Now frame it. Monad.
Monad. Yeah.
Monad.
Correct. Last.
Uh, Go.
Cow.
Corp.
Kawar.
The approach is see the vowel first. O. After O, two consonant. O for awesome. B in the end is per. BDGPTK. Corp.
P. Right.
Okay. Corp. Just like you have the word in English corporation. Life insurance corporation. That corporation corp sound is there.
War.
Getting?
Oh.
So you can see how
Yeah.
much complex it is, right? If you don't have the rules, you will do it and try. Core, whatever come to your mind, you will speak like that. They are writing something else, they are speaking something else. But when you know the rule, your confidence level will be 10 times ahead. 10 times more as compared to a person who doesn't know the rule, right? So if you know the rules, you can actually calculate the sound of any word now. Within next 1 or 1.5 lecture, you will be in a position to speak out any word once you cover all the rules. Okay. Next is U. U is having the U sound. Neither it is short nor it is long. There is no counting. It's a middle sound. U. Speak normally. Don't stretch it and don't trim it. Neither it is too short nor it is too long. Normal U sound. Tun, mutter, and shu. Speak.
U.
Tun,
Motor shoe.
mutter, shu.
Motor.
Shu. This R I will discuss again. We don't have to stress this R so much. Mutter, that's wrong. Okay, this R is, R in the end is like kind of silent. Glutteral. Glutteral means inside of the neck. It's like French R. In French also they speak like that. So it's very much inside your neck only. You don't have to highlight it like mutter. That's wrong. It's very, very, very soft sound in the end. Mutter, like that. Okay.
Motor.
Glutteral,
Okay.
glutteral sound inside of the neck. R. R plus H mix. R. Mutter. Okay.
Okay.
Motor.
And one more thing, once I cover A till Z, after that we will have one more topic, that is the combinations of some vowels and consonants. So one combination I am taking today, SCH. You might have heard some companies, Schindler, Schneider, they are making those elevators and lift and all that. Robert Bosch, heard of that?
Yeah.
Okay, so this SCH is a combination. SCH is sh sound. SCH is a
Bosch.
sh. Yeah, that's why we say Bosch. SCH is sh. That combination I am covering today. Around 20 combinations are there. One by one we'll cover. Shoe. H in the end is silent. That I'll cover in H. Okay, so this becomes shoe. Speak shoe.
Shoe.
Yes. Okay, clear? Everything?
Yeah.
So first of all, what I am doing, I am sending you this PDF file. Okay. So there is no hurry. You go through it, revise it properly for 5 minutes. We'll again discuss from the top. I don't want to make any hurry. First of all, you retain this much rules. We'll discuss it again from the top and then we'll move ahead with the consonants. Okay.
Sure.
So I'll try to take couple of consonants today, but first of all, you revise properly this BDG, PTK, A, E, I, O, U. Try to remember these rules. I'll send the PDF. Check it on your Skype chat. Download the file. Go through the rules. A, E, I, O, U. And the examples.
Raman, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
So apart from German, any other language do you teach?
See, we have tie-ups with other trainers, but majorly we are into German only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. 95% we are into German only.
Okay.
We have offline center here in Jaipur. I am from Jaipur basically.
Okay.
So 2 offline centers we have, and like 90% my work is online only. So like people are there from more than 10 countries currently who are learning from different like
Okay.
Middle East, Singapore, Germany, obviously, India, obviously. It's a long chain, very long chain. Like people are joining. So I and my wife both are there. Your classes also both of us will be taking. Initially, all the grammar I'll be taking, and later the B1, B2 exam preparation my wife will be taking at that time in the last 1/3.
Okay.
Yeah. Revise it quickly. Let's discuss it, and then we'll just discuss whatever we have done, and then we'll wind up. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Anything about the course, apart from the course, anything you want to ask, you can ask me.
Raman,
Yeah.
this first GIB is G.
Geep,
Right?
geep, go for gun. Geep.
Geep.
Yeah.
Uh,
Hmm.
but P sound is not there, right? It was pay.
That is what I am saying. Na, P is the name of the letter, and P is the sound. Okay. When I say Vikram, V is the name of letter. I don't call you as VIKRAM. I call you as Vikram. So I am using the sound when I am speaking a word. Okay. So that is the name of letter. Now don't confuse it with that video. That is totally different. That is the name of letter. A B C D E F G. Okay.
Okay. So
Right.
can we have like
Hmm.
so those were names, right? Can we have sounds as well for each?
That is what we are doing now. That is what we have done to now. We have done the sounds of A, E, I, O, U, 5 letters. Now, when you will scroll the PDF, you will see the consonants, the B sound, the C sound, so on. You can see here. One by one, it will come. Okay.
Okay, so one by one we will
Yes.
cover all.
Obviously, we have to cover that. Without that, how you will be able to learn the pronunciation? So far, we have just started, right? We have done only the name of letter and sounds. We have done out of 26 letters. You have done the sound of only A, E, I, O, and U. Only 20% of that you have done. Okay, you can scroll, you can see my screen. I'll tell you the coming PDF files. I'll show you. You can see here the sound of this B is there, then C, then D with the examples F till P. Okay, and then when I'll open the next file, you will see the sound of Q in different cases. Q, then your R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z till here. And then I was talking about combinations. You can see this S, T, S, P, S, C, H, and then another vowel combinations are there. If you see my screen, 3 more letters are there: A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut. These 2 dots you might have seen. These 3 are extra. Apart from that, you will see these vowel combinations: double A, AU, A umlaut, U. They will help you a lot. Once we do all these rules, then I'll be giving you this exercise to read. You can. This is the coming session, second session. Okay, these passages you will be speaking after that. So it will come gradually, step by step. It will come. If I give you all the rules together, you will get confused. It will become too much. That's why I took only 5 vowels so that you revise them that much, and then step by step we'll move ahead. Okay. Fine or not?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. And then we'll be starting with the grammar. So until coming 2 sessions, we'll not be starting with the grammar. Usually, everywhere, wherever you will see, you will find that from day one they are just giving you that ABCD video, ABCD, and then they are starting with the grammar, Guten Morgen and all that. Ich heiße Raman, ich komme aus Indien. Directly sentence framing is starting. So we don't follow that thing. Once you are doing pronunciation, you have to do it in detail. That's what I am saying. Within next 2 lectures, you should be ready to speak out any word, any text, any paragraph written in front of you. Okay, that should be your level of preparation, and then you start with the grammar, then you start the word meanings, everything. That anyhow we have to do that. Okay. Yeah. Tell me any doubt in this? A, E, I, O, U. Likhta, any doubt? Any word, any sound so far? Whatever we have done.
No, I'm clear, Raman.
No. Yeah. Okay, Vikram, clear or not? A, E, I, O, U.
No, my Raman.
Clear? Okay. Now I'm taking few consonants also. Couple of consonants I'll try to take. You can see my screen here. The first consonant is B. Okay. B.
Raman,
Yeah.
I think it's enough for today.
Okay. It's enough? Okay, great. Fine. Sure. We'll stop here then. Okay.
Okay,
Right?
thank you.
We'll stop here. Then accordingly you can make your decision. You can inform Likhita. Okay. I think their next class is on Wednesday. I think today is Wednesday. Their next class is on Friday. Right?
Right.
So you can Vikram, you can inform them whatever is the thing, and if you have any questions you can ask me today on phone, WhatsApp. If you have any questions apart from this, you can ask me on WhatsApp or phone. Okay?
Okay, Raman.
Yeah. Okay then. Fine. Likhita, will meet on Friday then, 5 o'clock German time. Okay.
Yeah, Raman. It was really nice session, Raman.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. No problem. Just revise them till here. A, E, I, O, U, and again we'll be starting from the top from A, E, I, O, U, and then we'll try to finish the pronunciation in the next class. Okay.
Okay, Raman.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.